Hello. Welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. And if today is the first day you are seeing my face, I want to tell you that you are blessed already to be seeing my face. So, welcome to Womiba Finance channel. This is where we get down with all the location problems and all the location tips and financial tips for migrants leaving their homeland to their host countries. So welcome once again. So before we start today, I want to make you aware of something. One, the topic we are going to be talking about today is about charity and religious workers. UK opened a channel. They opened a very a very room in their immigration file for people that wants to do charity work or religious work. So now you can come to United Kingdom within 60 days. So which means you can actually apply today and come to United Kingdom before Christmas, which means we will be here together during Christmas. So when you finish watching this video, please go to UK website and start making your application. Now, there are many jobs and I'll be sharing this screen. Please, when you're watching me, look at the screen. This is where I'll be sharing all the places you need to go and get this job. So, number one, you will need your international passport. This is not a brainer. You will need your international passport. Make sure that you have some months or some years in the passport. Then you need travel insurance and medical insurance. The third one, you need your criminal record. Obviously, you're coming to do charity work. Many things will be in your hands. People will need to trust you, and people need to leave some sensitive information or sensitive materials within, where you work. So you need to prove that you can be trusted, you have integrity, and you can do your job perfectly well when nobody is watching you. So which means you need to get this criminal record, and they need to be so clean. So the fourth one, let's move to this fourth one. You need to get employer. You need to get someone that will give you this actual charity work or religious work. You might be a pastor, reverend sister, reverend father, or anybody that can do charity work, or you might be, if you have experience with UN, you have worked during the crisis time, you know what I mean, like war, or you have accident or nature explosion, or like nature issues like flooding that submerge people's home, that you've got experience how to manage people during the crisis, how to manage things or manage their welfare package. If you have this kind of experience, you are qualified to make your application. Please, in this screen, I'll be showing you the places you need to go and visit for this job. At least you need to go to United Kingdom website to check whether the specification match the person you are, because I don't know you. You know yourself. So when you get this specification in this screen will show you the specification of the person they are looking for, what you need to have. But the shocker is this, and this will make you happy. You don't need no IELTS. You don't need proof of funds. You don't, and of course, no age limit. There's nothing like age limit in this religious or charity work visa with sponsorship. There's nothing like age limit, so nobody will limit it. So don't worry about that. So if all these things I have said is of your interest, that you want to go to UK before Christmas, and again you don't have proof of funds, there's no fees except the visa application. So stick with me, and I'll be right back to tell you how or where to get these jobs. So stick with me. guys, I'm back. I need to have, before you can, or the qualification. Like I said before, there's no degree. You don't need degree. So let's get down straight because I don't want to waste your time. So the people that might have this job to give you is charity work visa is government.uk temporary worker. Then the second organization is Church of Jesus Christ. You know this church. This church take care of their workers so well. I'm not telling you something that I don't know. I'm telling you something that I have many people that are members of this church and I see the way they are being helped. So this church, as their charity worker or their church worker, you will be amazed how your life will change in a short time. So if you want a place where you will be taken care of, this is it. So the third one is Miracle Care Center. I think they have some charity job opportunities, and what you need to have in mind is this, that the payment might differ, and again it might be from donations. Like, you will not expect them to pay you like 100k or 50,000, something like that. So because they work with donation, church, of course, church work with donation. You should know how church operates. Paraffin, Pentecostal, whatever you are, but you are a religious or a Buddhist, you are a religious a worker, you are allowed to apply in these jobs. So you can actually start your application today and nothing will limit you. So far you will get an offer, you will get the visa. It's as simple as that, because this is a religious matter. There's nothing like you want to put the person on test, you want to do the like all these kind of checks. So far your criminal record, that's why I said where you need to pay attention is your references. People that are writing it, they have to construct it like somebody, I don't know how to describe, like a good person. So like if somebody is reading it, you know that this person can help people, is a very obedient person to whatever they believe or whatever their own faith is a believer, and this person can do this work, and this person can help our organization work so hard and help people in with their various issues and problems. So now where it becomes so hard is this: if your country don't cannot be influenced, or you don't have where you have worked that can help you with a very good reference. I don't know, maybe your church, or if you're going to church or mosque, your imam might give a reference letter. Or because if you're a business person and you're going to this charity, you have to demonstrate, to some certain level that you are right or fit for this job. Maybe you can speak to your someone that is in like a government organization, or well-known somebody, to give a reference that you can do this job. Maybe you are a church goer, and you are a member of choir. So somebody there, or your choir master or choir mistress, might write a very elaborate reference for you, that look at the work you've done, look at the way you help people, look at what you have achieved, help them achieved in this ministry, this kind of things. Get someone in authority, or someone that you have worked under, to write a very good reference. Back it up with your other things, and that's it. So I wish you luck, and please, you know the drill. Subscribe, share in your social media platform, tell your parents, your siblings, or your friends, peers, associates about this channel. This is Womiba Finance channel. That people, it's so easy to remember, it's so easy to pronounce. Womiba Finance channel. That's it. And keep your notification button on. And please, and please, and please, I want to beg for one thing. Please look at the screen. All the information you need about this charity or religious visa sponsorship jobs, have are on this screen. You are seeing it. So don't just watch me talking. Be looking at the screen. That's where you can see everything, all the tips that you need. So now, I hope by now you have put that your subscription button on, but please, please, please leave your notification button on, as we will be bringing many good content for you to watch, and that will help you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye from me. Bye.